the Major Emergency Initial Response and Offshore Installation Manager Controlling Emergencies Assessment course with a state-of-the-art simulator. Imagine being at the epicenter of a major emergency on an offshore installation. The alarm is sounding, chaos is ensuing, and every second is critical. Now imagine being the one person who can take control, make informed decisions, and potentially save lives. That person could be you. Welcome to our Major Emergency Initial Response and Offshore Installation Manager Controlling Emergencies Assessment course. This course is meticulously designed to provide you with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to manage any emergency situation that may arise on an offshore installation. Our course is comprehensive, covering everything from initial response strategies to advanced emergency management techniques. You'll learn how to assess risks, make quick decisions, and lead your team to safety. But this isn't just about learning theory. Our course includes state-of-the-art simulations that mimic real-life emergencies, giving you the chance to apply what you've learned in a safe and controlled environment. By the end of this course, you'll not only have a valuable certification, but also the peace of mind knowing that you're prepared to handle any emergency situation. So, are you ready to step up, take control, and make a difference? Join our course today and become the leader you were meant to be. Remember, in an emergency, every second counts. Don't wait until it's too late. Enroll now. We look forward to seeing you soon in one of our classes. For more information, please follow the links provided or go to rigmovemasterclass.com.